legacy.
We celebrate innovation.
We celebrate sustainability.
We celebrate the future.
Welcome to the 79th Foundation Anniversary of the Naga College Foundation with the theme Green Algorithm Purpose.
And where NCF proves that progress can be green.
This event is brought to you by the Everdynamic Central Student Government.
As part of the most colorful, creative, and inspiring celebration.
The Sun in Singing 2026. NCNs to formally open this meaningful celebration.
Let us hear from a leader who continues to guide NCF toward growth, innovation, and excellence. Please welcome Sir Son.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sino yung excited na sa cosplay competition? Another one, sino yung excited na? Last question, sino yung mananalo sa cosplay competition today? Okay, so medyo marami tayong sinasabing pangalan, but we'll be proceeding with this program. So first and foremost po, I'd like to thank our Board of Judges, Sir Louis G. Bolante, Sir J.P. Esteban, and our Chair, Dr. Tess Consulta, for accepting our invitation. I understand that each of the organizations na sumali ngayon, I've seen some of you guys preparing it days ahead. Yung iba, gabi na umuwi. Yung iba naman, they really design everything according doon sa representative nila. And for tonight po, or for rather for this afternoon, the concept po of our cosplays primarily revolve about technology, science fiction, and the different topics related po sa ating mga booths. So without further ado, let's begin this program, and I hope you guys have fun and may the winner receive what it is po. Thank you so much po.
Miss Gay Daraga Magayon 2018. Miss Gay SK Council 2023. Miss Gay Queen 2023. Miss Gay Gayon 2023. Queen Kulayan 2023. A former Vincentian Performing Arts Company at Universidad de Santa Isabel of Naga City. A graduate of Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship at Universidad de Santa Isabel, Naga City. A senior high school teacher of the Naga College Foundation. And the Peña Francia Regatta Lagunoy 2025. Let us all welcome Mr. John Paul Esteban. With strong ability to deliver fair. Both the academic and the creative arts. She graduated. Cosplay Showdown!
Because coming in, hot and slim, Marty McFly from the sci-fi movie Back to the Future. He just stepped out of the DeLorean and onto the stage with his iconic red vest, layered denim, and that unmistakable 80s attitude. He's the ultimate symbol of cool. Marty isn't just a teenager from Hill Valley. He's the guy who skates past bullies, rewrites history, and proves that the future is whatever you make it. He's with family and style, but earning the genre with style, swagger, and spark of adventure. So crank up that Huey Lewis because the power of time and the power of fashion is here to take us back to the future.
My name is Marcus Joris Saitandas, cosplaying as Marty McFly from Back to the Future, representing Society of Young Hospitality Practitioners.
Known only as the Doctor, this timeline from the Gallifrey has two bars and travels around the universe using a stolen time machine called Gravis. He is not a soldier. He doesn't use a sword or a gun. Instead, he carries a sonic screwdriver and a brilliant mind. He is a healer who prepares a clever plan over a weapon to save worlds. From the end of the world to the birth of the star, he invites you to see the universe through his eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, the Simon Guild proudly presents to you our very own Dr. Wu.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jorvin P.C. Lang, representing Saimat Guild and also known as Dr. Who. I believe to the saying that never be cruel, never be cowardly. Remember, hate is always foolish. Love is always wise. Always try to be nice, but never fail to be kind. Thank you.
Understanding arrives Valver of the Junior Marketing Association. Every claim and edge tells the story of metamorphosis of the intelligence and innovation. Its starting form is proud with a enormous and advanced head crafted from recycled paper and molded through paper machine. Its extended spider-like limbs, also made from recycled materials, stretched like living shadows, symbolizing reach, control, and survival. Forged from green or gleaming silver, Valkyr represents evolution, machine and flesh, instinct and precision combined. It does not speak, it does not hear, it only observes. And when a time comes, it takes over. And today, as your eyes try to comprehend what your mind cannot, remember this moment. Once again, Valkyr from the Junior Marketing Association has arrived on your planet not to blend in, but to stand above.
The eye.
The female predator, Grey from the Predator franchise, a symbol of advanced alien technology and strategic intelligence.
Good evening po. So, kakatapusan po ng program sa school. Tapos, dumiretso na din ako dito sa grocery store para bumili ng mga pang Mango Graham. Kasi, di ba may order po tayo ng 250 pieces na Mango Graham. So, gagawin ko po yun bukas. Tapos, ipapamigay. It's either Friday or Saturday po. So, ayan. Kasama ko po ang aking kuya. And, yan. Kukuha na kami ng mga ingredients para sa Mango Graham. Thank you po Tita Mila sa pag-sponsor ng 250 pieces na Mango Graham. God bless you po. Pauwi na po kami. Ang driver at mga taga-taga-taga. Ako pong napakasipag. Nililigpit ang mga damit ko. Sipag yarn. Yan. Mo ano ma?
Dala ko mauli akong naga magtinda.
Yan pala.
Magliligpit.
Nagliligpit ka pala. Okay lang yan.
Bukas na ako magtitinda. Magliligpit na.
So, nasa labas po ako. After sa school, after mag-grocery, andito ako ngayon sa labas. Coffee. Alone. Joke. Dininay. So, may kasama pa ako magkape. Hulaan nyo na lang kung sino siya. Dito pa ako sa Keep Brewing. Sobrang daming tao po ngayon dito. Isa to sa favorite cafe ko. Tatawa ako sa kasama ko. Pinipigilan niya, nag-video ako, pinipigilan niya umupo. Masarap po talaga kumain. Masarap ang pagkain pag libre. Iba ang sarap ng pagkain. Like, alam mo na yung lasa niya. Para iba talaga yung sarap pag libre. Sarap. Kain po. First time niya lang po ako makita mag-vlog sa harap niya. Hindi po kasi ako, ano ka ba? Hindi ako nag-vlog kasama ko siya or mga friends. Bukod kila Lawrence, mga private friends ko, hindi talaga ako nag-vlog kasama sila. I want to keep them private. Pero soon, baka ma-meet nyo din po sila. Kaya papakita ko sila sa inyo. Grabe, sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap ng nachos. Libre kasi. The best. Thank you sa nag-give eh. Kapag stress po ako, tapos sad, one call away, one of my one call away, someone. Apo, ganun. Pa-March na po, pero may Christmas light pa din, Pasko pa din. Alam niyo po, sobrang natatawa ka. First time ko lang kasi mag-vlog sa harap nito eh. Naiiyak ako. Alam niyo po, naguguluhan ako ngayon. Like, sobrang daming tumatakbo sa isip ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Kung anong ipupurso ko. Anong content ba ang gagawin ko? Papasok ba ako ulit sa love team? Ipupurso ko, babalik na ba ako sa pagti-charity? Motovlogging, travel, I don't know. Like, sobrang gulo na po ng utak ko. Kaya yan. Kapag mga ganitong sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, ganito, ito yung masarap may kausap. Diba? Pero imbis kausapin ko siya, vlog ang naatubag ko. Okay lang naman po yun. Support ka na? Parang hindi eh. Nag-video po ako, tinatawagan niya ako para mamatay ang video. Ano yan? Ewa, may bonfire. Like, gulong-gulo talaga kung anong gagawin ko. Totoo pala talaga yun, no? Yung parang mapupunta ka ulit sa sitwasyon na hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. Kung ano yung ipupursu mo. Kaya siguro marami akong kaedad na nasa sitwasyon na stuck sila or feeling nila stuck sila kasi hindi nila alam kung ano yung ipupursu nila. At andun po ako. Parang sa lahat ng pinuntahan namin na may nachos, ito ang isa sa pinakamasarap. Pangalawa. Ganun ka. Hindi ka agree? Ikaw kasi nagbayad eh. Siya po kasi nagbayad, kaya hindi siya makarelate kung gano'ng kasarap to sa akin. So, yan. Yan po ang for today's tea. For today's ganap. So, yan. Thank you so much po sa walang sawang pagmamahal at suporta, mga kamedit. Hanggang sa muling vlog. Kung may request po kayo, comment nyo lang. I love you all. Gagawa po ako ngayon ng mango graham. So, busy. Sobrang busy po ako, pero okay lang. Para sa pangarap, laban lang. Dahil alipin tayo ng salapi, kailangan natin magsipag. I love you mga kamedit. God bless you. Ako po si Merit Basilania, aka Leche Flan Girl, na nagsasabing magpatuloy, maniwala at manalangin. Kasi lahat ng sakripisyo, lahat ng pagod, sipag may mapupuntahan. Sa tamang panahon, hiraya, manawari. Love you!